Selling on Amazon can be challenging without the right tools. There are plenty software options available to help sellers optimize their listings, conduct product research, and manage their inventory more efficiently. This video presents the top 5 Amazon seller tools that can give sellers a competitive edge. These tools are designed to streamline various aspects of the selling process, ensuring businesses can focus more on growth and customer satisfaction. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button before we continue with this video. Thank you. Also, make sure to check the links in the description below to try these tools for free. Without further ado, here are the best tools to take your FBA business to the next level. Number 5. Teikametrics, Best Amazon PPC Management Tool. Teikametrics is an advanced tool designed to aid Amazon sellers in maximizing their sales and profits. This platform stands out with its focus on optimizing listings, automating advertising, and providing in-depth data analysis. Teikametrics uses sophisticated AI algorithms to manage PPC campaigns effectively. This allows sellers to make well-informed decisions to boost their visibility on Amazon. With Teikametrics, sellers can streamline their Amazon advertising efforts. The platform helps in automating ad bids based on performance, ensuring that sellers get the best possible return on investment. One key aspect that makes Teikametrics notable is its ability to provide actionable insights. These insights are derived from comprehensive data analysis, helping sellers to understand their market and position better. By identifying trends and patterns, sellers can adjust their strategies in real time. Teikametrics also integrates seamlessly with Amazon Seller Central. This integration centralizes all necessary tools and reports, offering sellers a unified platform to manage their business operations. This connectivity simplifies the process of campaign management and analysis. For those looking to grow their Amazon business, Teikametrics proves to be an invaluable ally. Its features assist in reducing the manual effort required in ad management and data interpretation. By leveraging Teikametrics, sellers can focus more on strategic growth. Features of Teikametrics include AI-driven PPC campaign management, automated advertising bid adjustments, detailed data analytics and reporting, seamless integration with Amazon Seller Central, real-time market insights and trend analysis, comprehensive listing optimization, profitability analysis. Number 4. BQool, Best Pricing and Repricing Tool. BQool is a dynamic tool designed for Amazon sellers, providing diverse functionalities tailored to enhance sales and manage operations efficiently. At its core, BQool offers comprehensive repricing capabilities. This feature allows sellers to stay competitive by automating price adjustments based on market conditions and rival price points. This ensures that your listings remain attractive to buyers. Additionally, BQool includes inventory management tools. Sellers can monitor stock levels, track product performance, and receive notifications when inventory is running low. This helps prevent stockouts and overstocking, which are crucial for maintaining a healthy cash flow. Profit and loss calculations are simplified with BQool's financial reporting. Users can easily view their margins, storage fees, and sales tax, providing a clear picture of their financial state. BQool's AI-powered machine learning enhances the repricing strategy. The tool learns from market behaviors and adjusts prices more intelligently, which can maximize profit margins without sacrificing competitive pricing. Furthermore, the tool provides an advertising management module through which users can optimize their Amazon PPC campaigns. This ensures better visibility and higher conversion rates for sponsored products. Features of BQool include automated repricing, inventory management with stock level alerts, detailed profit and loss reporting, AI-powered repricing, user-friendly interface, and Amazon PPC campaign management. Number 3. Zoho Inventory, Best Inventory Management and Accounting Tool. Zoho Inventory is designed to simplify inventory management for Amazon sellers. This platform helps merchants keep track of their stocks across multiple sales channels, including Amazon, Users can easily sync their inventory data, ensuring accurate stock levels and reducing the likelihood of overselling. Integrating Amazon with Zoho Inventory is straightforward. Sellers can link their Amazon accounts to Zoho Inventory, enabling seamless inventory updates. The platform fetches current stock levels from Amazon and allows for adjustments if there are discrepancies. Zoho Inventory also supports fulfillment by Amazon. This feature automatically fetches FBA stock levels and updates them within Zoho Inventory. Sellers can view and manage their FBA inventory without switching between platforms, enhancing efficiency. In addition to inventory management, Zoho Inventory offers an intuitive SKU generator specifically for Amazon sellers. Users can also manage orders from various sales channels, track shipments, and handle returns within a single interface. The integration with Zoho Books allows Amazon sellers to manage their finances seamlessly, tracking sales, expenses, and profits without manual data entry. Some key features of Zoho Inventory include integration with multiple sales channels, automatic syncing of Amazon inventory levels, FBA stock management, intuitive SKU generator, shipping tracking and returns management, analytics and reporting tools, automated order fulfillment. Number 2. Helium 10, Best Product Research Tool. Helium 10 is designed to optimize various aspects of the selling process. This comprehensive platform offers over 30 distinct tools, catering to needs such as keyword research, product research, and market analysis. One of its most renowned features is Magnet, a keyword research tool that allows users to perform detailed searches. Magnet uses filters like search volume, number of competing products, and title density to refine results. Cerebro, another noteworthy tool, assists sellers in identifying high-value keywords. It provides valuable data points including keyword sales and search volume trends, aiding in effective keyword strategies. For new sellers, Helium may appear daunting due to its extensive offerings. However, its detailed data-driven approach can significantly streamline operations for experienced sellers who are looking to maximize their revenue. Helium 10 also includes features for protecting seller accounts and managing day-to-day store operations. This makes it a versatile choice for those handling multiple aspects of their Amazon business. The software suite is not only about finding the best keywords, but also about understanding market trends. Tools like Market Tracker help sellers keep an eye on competition and market shifts. Features of Helium 10 include Magnet Keyword Research Tool, Cerebro for competitor analysis, product research capabilities, Market Tracker for monitoring competition, listing optimization tools, and profitability analysis. Number 1. Jungle Scout, Best Overall Tool for Amazon FBA. Jungle Scout is a powerful tool designed to help Amazon sellers with product research and market insights. Sellers can use Jungle Scout to identify profitable products by analyzing sales data and market trends. This reduces the guesswork involved in choosing which products to sell. Jungle Scout provides a comprehensive set of tools that cater to different aspects of Amazon selling. From product discovery to sales tracking, it covers all the essential steps needed to succeed on the platform. Its Chrome extension allows users to see key product metrics directly on Amazon's website. This includes data on sales estimates, revenue, and competition, making it easier to make informed decisions. The tool also offers an opportunity finder, which helps sellers discover niches with low competition and high demand. This feature is particularly useful for those looking to enter untapped markets. Jungle Scout's keyword research tool enables sellers to find and optimize keywords that drive traffic to their listings. By targeting the right keywords, sellers can improve their search rankings and increase visibility. Another significant feature of Jungle Scout is the product tracker. It lets users monitor the performance of specific products over time, providing insights into sales trends and inventory levels. The supplier database helps sellers find reliable manufacturers and suppliers. For those looking to launch new products, Jungle Scout's launch tool can help manage and optimize product launches. Features of Jungle Scout include product and supplier database, Chrome extension for real-time analysis, opportunity finder, keyword scout, product tracker, launch tool, sales estimator tool, and historical data insights. Selecting the right tools can significantly impact the success of any Amazon seller. These tools assist with product research, keyword optimization, pricing strategies, and inventory management. Each of these tools offers distinctive features tailored to different seller requirements. Therefore, choosing the best tool depends on specific business needs and objectives. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, leave a comment, share with friends, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button for future uploads. Thank you.